Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAP Concur, manage travel and expenses step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for SAP Concur and press enter. Wait for the home page to load completely. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first input field. Type your password in the second input field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your details. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your SAP Concur dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. You can also review any notifications or prompts displayed on the dashboard. To manage your travel and expenses, navigate to the appropriate section on the dashboard. Explore the various tools and features to efficiently manage your travel planning and expense reporting. For detailed assistance, utilize the Help section or reach out to your company's support team. You are now logged into SAP Concur and ready to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step